Good PM. Today is December 31, 2023 Sunday, and here are the 3 p.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SLs for 3 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Laka 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for December 31, 2023 Sunday. Here are the SLs for 3 p.m. result for Mandawi City under Piana Trading and Supply Corporation for December 31, 2023 Sunday. Thank you for watching this 3 p.m. video for December 31, 2023 Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more lotto result update.